Let me introduce our new field robot. We call it Pomona. This is a robot made by AgileX company. It's a Scout Mini robot. It's approximately 20 kilograms. It has 4 independent wheel hub motor, a nice lithium polymer battery, and control computer. It has several sensors. One of the main sensors is the LiDAR. It's a 16-channel LiDAR, very similar to the Velodyne VLP16. It has a RealSense RGBD camera, which can measure the red, green, blue, and the depth values. The main CPU is a very strong NVIDIA Xavier processor with 8 cores, 32 GB of RAM. It's very powerful for onboard computation. We added inertial measurement unit with a GPS sensor, and it has a nice screen and all the other necessary motor control stuff. Most of the components are communicating with CAN bus, but also with USB. We can control the robot teleoperated, but of course we can write the software to the robot.